Master channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a fluffy slime with Bad Baby. Hello! Oh, she's Bad Baby. Usual. Let's start our fluffy slime and let's look more closely. Okay friends, now let's start with glue. Also we need shaving foam and borax solution. It's so super easy.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Let's use our shaving foam. Here. Okay, it's going. It's going.
To me, also to me. I wanna have a bubble bath. Foam bath. Ooh!
Now let's add some food coloring in.
I hate food coloring. Bleh.
Our fluffy slime will be wonderful. I like fluffy slimes very much. I hope Bad Baby likes too.
No. No.
Let's mix very well.
Puff. So boring. Puff.
This is for you. This is for you, Jess. Puff.
Don't play with my foam. Don't play with my foam. Don't play.
Let's continue with our slime. Our slime color will be wonderful pinky and it's like a cloud.
It's so boring. I will sleep.
Some more food coloring. Okay, let's continue then.
Oof, so boring. I will sleep again.
Mix well, all of them. Okay, we are changing the spoon.
So boring, so boring. Ooh. Boring.
If you continue to say boring, I will add some borax solution for you, Bad Baby.
No.
Okay, let's add some borax solution in our slime, friends. It will be wonderful. I like making fluffy slimes very much. Our texture became a slime.
No, ugly bell. No, no. It's so ugly. I hate pink. Ooh, it's so bad.
If you say some bad words, I will put black pepper in your mouth.
I like black pepper.
Okay, our slime more or less ready. I'm continue mixing. Our pink marshmallow slime more or less ready. Soon I will play with my hands.
Poof. So boring. Ooh, it's so ugly. I don't like pink slimes. No. So ugly. No. I hate slimes. No.
Oh, I like this slime very much, friends. It's like clouds. Some more borax solution and continue.
So boring. I will sleep. Ooh. No. Also, for me, some borax solution, please. No!
No, it's not for you, borax solution, please. Okay, it's time to play with hands, friends. It's so soft and I need some more borax solution. Wow.
You failed. No, it's so ugly. You failed. It's stuck on your hand. Oh, you failed. Haha, you failed.
If I put some borax solution, it will be okay, bad baby. Please wait a little bit and you will see then. Okay, friends. It's time to play with hands. Wow. Pinky, like clouds and elasticity is so good.
Ugly. Ugly, bad. Ooh. I hate pink slimes. I hate pink slimes. I like blue slimes. So boring.
You are so funny, bad baby. But finally, we are okay. Our slime is ready. Oh, it's so fine. If you like my video, please click the like button and please subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.